Welcome to our technical project. This project is based on the goal Life Online and our topic is pollution. This project is done by Haindavi, Saranya Sri, Sheikh Khania, myself and Sheikh Latifa, and we are from ECD section, and this project is done under the guidance of our department mentor G. Preeti ma'am and our department SNH mentor Dr. V. Chaudhary.
What is pollution? Pollution is the introduction of contaminants into the natural environment that causes adverse change. Pollution can take place in the form of chemical substance or energy. Example, dust, noise, etc. How can we identify pollution? We can identify it through our sense, that is smell, touch, sight, etc. Pollution experiment materials required are a container, tap water with fresh water, food color, vinegar, salt.
When we comes to the experiment, pollution experiment is we should take a empty container which is free from the all the impurities, and we should fill that water with that container with a complete clean and fresh water which is free from the all the impurities. And after taking that water, we should add some food color to that water so that we can observe a change in that water. That change indicates that water is polluted. So here the color indicates that the water is polluted. Previously it was very clear and colorless, but when we are added the food color, it changes to orange color. So it indicates some change in that water, and that water is somewhat polluted here. So next, again, we should take a complete clean and fresh water which is free from all the impurities. After taking this water, we should add some vinegar to this water, because we are adding some impurities to that. But we cannot find them with our eyes, but we can sense that smell of the water. So the smell is very different from the previous case. So by sensing the smell, we can say that the water is polluted here. After that, we should take a clean and fresh water again. Now we should take some clean and fresh water again, and after taking that water, we should add some salt to this water. But this case is different from the other cases. Like, we cannot find them with our eyes, and we cannot find them with our sense also, because the salt can didn't have any smell and taste, because it is having nothing else. So we cannot find this with our eye color or the smell, that the water is polluted here. So this case is different. By conclusion, we can say that the pollutants can be in many ways. Some are found by touch, some can be found by smell, some can be found by seeing that color, and some cannot be found with our eyes or sense, but that water is polluted. So this is further continued by Latifa.
In what other ways pollution occurs? The pollution can happen by vehicles, dust, and also noise. The pollution caused by vehicles can be reduced by decreasing the usage of them. So let's make sure not to pollute the air. In other ways, air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and land pollution.
Here we are doing the smoke observer experiment. The material required for the experiments are PVC pipe, DC motor, batteries, switch, cardboard, scissor, toy fan, wire, plastic bottle, glue gun, spring pipe. Next slide continued by Kanya.
Now again, let's recall all the materials required. Here we are taking a scale, the pencil, the agarbattis, and a pipe, that is a spring pipe, the cardboard sheets, the battery wires, a switch, two batteries, and two DC motors, the PVC pipes, the toy fans, and a plastic bottle, a scissor, and a hot glue gun. Now let's start the experiment. The first thing we have to do is that take one sheet of a cardboard and mark all the length and breadth of the PVC pipe on it. Make a hole on it, and then we have to insert all those PVC pipes into that through using hot glue gun. And the next thing is to take another piece of a cardboard and stick that with the top of first one. And take another PVC pipe and use it as a base for the DC motor which is attached to a toy fan. Now attach both the parts by using the gun. Now take a plastic bottle cap which is cut in that form and insert it in the cardboard sheet. The next thing we have to do is that stick that part with the top of our first part. And also let's repeat that. Now take another piece and also use it for the base of the DC motor and stick it with it. Now we have to take the battery wires and place them in the series manner to the top base of the cardboard sheets, and we have to connect the wires of the batteries, that is the battery wires, and also we have to connect the DC motor wires. Now we are taking a switch to on and off our smoke absorber. And we are attaching all the wires, that is the DC motor wires, the battery wires, and also the switch wires. Now we are taking the batteries and inserting them according to its terminals. If we insert them, we can see the rotation or the moving of the fans, which indicates that our process is correct. And the next step we have to do is to take another piece of a cardboard and stick it with our main part and complete the smoke absorber. The next thing we have to do is to take the cap of the plastic bottle and make a hole in it. And we have to insert a spring pipe through it, that is the cap of the bottle. The final step is to take any agarbatti sticks which produces the smoke, and we can observe that the smokes get absorbed by our smoke absorber and it get emitted to the spring pipes. So this is all about our smoke absorber experiment, which is a very good pollution catcher.
Conclusion. Pollution experiment. In this experiment, we will get to know about how the pollutions occur. We understood that pollution is caused by pollutants. We can identify the pollutions through from our sense all the times. And also it is not compulsory that we can identify the pollutions from our sense all the times. While performing the experiments through salt, we came to know that sometimes pollutions cannot be identified by observing it or by sensing it, but it is polluted. Smoke observer experiment. Smoke observer is a device that is used to filter the interior air to keep the environment clean by removing bacterial fumes, bad steam and grease. It has a fan that pulls out the harmful fumes and gases. It reduces the chance of causing respiratory problems. Thank you for listening our technical project.